Hey everyone, today we're putting some bull in the beast. Stick around and we'll get right to it. Hey everybody, I'm Mike and welcome back to 4 Low Rocks. You heard me right, a little bit of bull for the beast. Today in the form of a bull bar. What we have here is a JCR OffRoad 2.5 inch bull bar made specifically for the steel bumper group on the JL. It'll fit just like that and we'll get right to work on that. But first I'd like to tell you a little bit about this bull bar and the reason I selected this. One of the first reasons was when I looked around the market, there weren't too many accessories yet for the front of the JL. JCR has prided themselves in making American-made products out of Michigan. And when I looked over their website, I was kind of happy. I looked some reviews, happy with a lot of the products that they've provided to the market. A lot of JK owners were very proud of what they had. And when I got this and I opened the box, I was especially happy to see the quality of the welds, the quality of the finish. It is a satin kind of finish. Almost matches the bumper group very well. I think it's a little bit more of a rough sand finish than the bumper group, but I think it'll fit very well. It'll look very nice. It'll give some protection to the front of the Jeep and to the winch from tree branches and whatnot. But most importantly for me, I plan to use this to mount a light bar to get some off-road lighting at night when we're out on the trail. So let me get everything all set up and we'll get the bolts removed and get this bolted right up. So in the process to bolt up the bull bar, first comes the removal of 1, 2, 3 Torx bolts from each side of the bumper. And the same on the other side. Now we'll place the bull bar in its location on top of the bumper. And reinsert the bolts and just lightly hand tighten them. And the same for the other side. Now that we've got the bolts hand started, we'll go ahead and spin them on down to their final locations. And I'll have to use an extension on this other one. And we'll do the same on the other side. So there you have it everybody. The installation is complete. It's nice and sturdy. I think it looks like it was meant to be there. I think it'll offer some protection for the winch. I think it'll offer some protection for the front end, a bit for the grill guard, a bit for the winch. And more importantly, like I said, in the future, it's going to hold my light bar on the top. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed all the videos that I've made for you. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Be safe out on the trails, and happy wheeling. Thanks for watching 4 Low Rocks.